Hello there, it's me, Alexander, again. I'm here looking at this combine harvester. And sorry for the camera being a little shaky. I actually did a video before this, but that wasn't so good. I did it for 5 minutes and 59 seconds, which I might upload later. I might do, I might not. And, hold on, let's, nope, can't look from there. Sorry. Yeah, sorry for that. It's just you couldn't see the combine harvester for a bit there, so I had to pause it. Anyways, the combine harvester is harvesting all the crops, which, if I'm doing this right, will be stored into a giant tank, which will be fed to the horses.
Corn's going in the tank, the straw's going out the back.
Thanks for a correction, Grandad. The corn is going to the tank and the other thing is fed to the horses. And I don't know which one will be sold, maybe both of them. Do we sell both? Yep, we sell both. Sorry for that. Yeah, maybe I should zoom out a bit. It's getting closer. So it just looks awkward. Yeah, I think that would be appropriate. 5.4. I think that's 5.4 times. Whatever, I'm talking about something that isn't really relevant to the video. Anyways, when this combine harvester is done, then I'll empty it into a portable storage tank. I actually forgot the name, so I'm calling it a portable storage tank, because that sounds at least a bit professional.
Silo.
Yes, a silo. Thanks. That's the actual word, but I forgot the name. I'm very forgetful. Never mind. Anyway, so the combine harvester, when it's finished harvesting, it will empty into a silo. Will be stored in there. I'll do it again, and the process repeats. Hold on, I have to zoom out again. There we go. 3.3 times.
That's the name of it. Class Lexion 650.
Yes, thanks.
630.
Yes, this is the Class Lexion version 630. A remarkable combine harvester. You could say it's one of the best, but I haven't looked at its stats. What I do know is, if it wasn't great, then we wouldn't have it. Am I right, Grandad?
Correct. It's a hillsider.
Yes.
Hillsider.
Hillsiders are great, aren't they?
Yes. On hill.
Exactly. Because that way you don't have to worry about the combine harvester toppling. And the reason why the camera is shaky again is because the car is moving. And whoa. There we go. Yeah, maybe I shouldn't get a job as a news reporter. As you can see, you would think that's bees, wouldn't you? You'd think all that stuff in the air is just all these bees. But no, it's actually all the dust from the combine harvester. So yeah, apologies for the shaky cameras. It's just like, how are you supposed to keep a steady camera when the car is moving and you're in the car? You have to take months of practice, I'm telling you. Months! Maybe even years. My main point is it is not easy in any way. So as you can see, this is how we make some of your produce. This is the way we make all of your produce, because no way is there a tractor that can do it all. Or a forklift. Besides, you'd have to call it a track lift or something. Or a Ford tour. Oh no, I'm trying my best to think of some way that you can make one tractor or forklift do all the jobs like a Swiss Army knife? Whoa! And I have to remember, this is a rural area, so yeah, you can expect things to get very bumpy and shaky here. So yeah, I have to say, I'm not really at fault for this, though. Oh look, we're going up to 6 minutes. Hey Greta, should we stop at 6 minutes?
Keep going.
Yeah, good point. Now, wouldn't it be funny if I was recording all this time, but it was for front camera? Now that would be absolutely hilarious. Of course, that doesn't happen because I don't do stupid mistakes. Yeah, I better zoom out again though. I know why that's zooming in. Oh, sorry, I think I actually covered it for a bit there. Apologies. Now, this may seem fun, but when I put subtitles on this, it's gonna be a long time for the computer, aren't I?
You see how it's going to turn itself over in a minute. Watch the front.
Right, got my camera on the front.
See if it twists round, the whole machine twists.
Yes. And that's probably why we bought it, isn't it? Yeah, to be fair, I should be more confident in what I say. But I can't really risk being wrong here because who likes being wrong, am I right? The answer is yes, I am right, because I don't really think anyone likes being wrong. Unless being wrong is the right thing.
Who's driving the tumbler?
Kinda hard to tell because there's a giant ball of light in the way. I can't even see what I'm doing. Oh, there we go, I can see now. Now I'm using my phone to block the sun.